Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the importance of self-care and what it means to truly nurture ourselves. To start, take a few moments to make yourself comfortable. Stretch out any limbs if you feel called to do so, and then bring yourself to a natural seated position. Ensure that your back is straight, your shoulders are relaxed, and that you feel comfortable to rest here for the next 10 minutes or so. Tune in to the surface beneath you, noting how the physical nature of this space is supporting your practice. If possible, see if you might melt into the room a little bit more, allowing yourself to be held completely and unconditionally. However you have arrived here today is wholeheartedly welcome. Now draw your attention to the breath that nourishes you. With each inhalation, you are granted life-supporting oxygen. And with each exhalation, you rid your body of elements it no longer requires. Each breath is a gift to your body, mind, and soul. Allow the breath to naturally deepen, flowing into the entirety of your belly. As it does, witness the shift in any tension you may have held here, noting how quickly tightness can dissolve. And as you exhale, see if you can invite a complete release to anything you are holding that no longer serves you. Mindful breathing is a simple act of self-care, so just take a few more silent moments to witness the way you are being taken care of here. In today's quickening world, it is not uncommon to become so consumed by external demands that we forget to take care of ourselves. On top of it, many of us aren't quite sure what that means anyway, to take care of ourselves. Taking care of ourselves takes many shapes and forms, but at the core of it, the energy is the same. When we nurture ourselves through acts of self-care, we come into greater balance, peace, and harmony. So we know we are on the right path when we feel these energies growing within us. Self-care is one of the most important gifts we can grant ourselves, because only when we take care of ourselves can we share our love, light, and beauty with others. Parker Palmer once expressed, "Self-care is never a selfish act. It is simply good stewardship of the only gift I have, the gift I was put on the earth to offer to others." Only when we honor and nurture our own radiant being are we able to authentically and wholeheartedly support others. Only when we find our own sense of balance can we truly and deeply contribute to that of others. So allow this meditation to deepen your experience of self-nourishment. As you rest here for the next few moments, sense your yearning to take care of yourself deepening. Allow the following words to echo in your mind. I honor, love, and care for myself. I honor, love, and care for myself. I honor, love, and care for myself. Mindfulness and meditation are not the only acts of self-care we can or should explore. Self-care requires a deep listening to the inner world to uncover what we need in any given moment. Sometimes self-care looks like time spent alone in nature. At other times, it resembles a bowl of hearty homemade soup. Sometimes it comes flowing through our pens, our paintbrushes, or our mindful movements. In any case, how self-care looks is of little importance. How it truly feels is everything. So as you move through the days to come, invite greater attention to the whispers of your mind, body, heart, and spirit. Inquire what will bring you true peace, harmony, and happiness in any given moment. As you honor your own need for care, your capacity to offer your gifts to others expands. So make it a priority to honor the self that is with you through all the hours of the day and throughout every day of your life. Take a few more mindful breaths here to thank yourself for caring for your inner world in this way today. Notice the natural ebb and flow of each inhalation and each exhalation. And now, keeping your eyes closed for one more moment, draw your attention to the room as you become aware of your physical presence here. When you are ready, gently flutter your eyes open. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and see you again.